Hello dear student, welcome back to English class. Yes dear students, in the last class we completed the poem that is The Dark. Yes, so related that exercise video you will get very soon. In today's class we are going to learn enrichment activity first. Okay, enrichment activity first. It is based on unit first and second. It is based on unit first and second. So what is name of the enrichment activity? On a dark night. On a dark night. So again, on a dark night, what happened? Here in one para they given. So we have to read it, we have to understand it, and related that they given question answers, we have to solve it. Okay. So just hold your pencil, open page number 26, and where you are getting difficult words, write its meaning under the word. Got it? So first para, let's see here. On a dark night. So on a dark night, one dark night was there. What happened on that dark night? Night is always dark, you know. Yes, always it is dark and it is also horrible. So when you are getting a sound of thunder, what you will do? Yes, you will hide under the bed. Even you will call your parents. Yes, you will shout for them. So everybody will get scared about the darkness. So let's see. It was a very dark night. Outside a thunderstorm was raging. It was raining so hard that it was difficult to hear any other sound. Suddenly the lights went out. I fumbled around in the darkness trying to find candle and matchsticks. I called out, "Pluto, Pluto, where are you?" But my dog was quiet. He neither barked nor did he whimper. In the flash of lightning, I tried to find my pet. I stumbled over mother's favorite vase and my brother's guitar in the darkness. Finally, after knocking over a few more books, I found a candle. Now I need matchsticks to light the candle. See what happened? This author is telling one dark night what happened with him. Yes, it was a very dark night. Dark night was there and outside thunderstorm was raging. Raging means what here? Write down. Yes. Raging means here, see, violent. Means anger. You can say that anger. Very violently this thunderstorm was raging. Sound. It was raining so hard that was difficult to hear any other sound. So outside raining, okay, it was raining and it was too loud sound. So we are finding difficulty, or he was finding difficulty for other sounds. And suddenly what happened? Suddenly light went and I fumbled. Fumbled means what? Fumbled means, see, in darkness, if we are not getting anything, means we can trying to hold something. Yes or no? We are trying to touching it. So we are using hands while doing something. Fumble means using hands. Using hands while doing something. So he was just searching by his hand. Okay, he's searching by his hand. He fumbled around the darkness trying to find the candle and matchstick. So he was just trying to find out the candle because he want to light it. Yes, he want to light it. So he was just searching matchsticks and candle. So he just fumbled here and there. He was searching by his hand. I called out, "Pluto, Pluto, where are you?" See, and his dog name was what? Pluto. Dog name was Pluto. So he just called him, "Pluto, Pluto, where are you?" But what happened? Dog was very quiet. He was not giving any signal. He was not coming to near him and he was very quiet. He neither barked nor did he whimper. Even he did not bark. Okay, he was not making any sound. Even he did not whimper. Whimper means what? To cry softly, like softly they are making sound, yes or no? Dog. So whimper. So I write here whimper. To cry softly. So if you have any pet in your home, you can understand, yes, how he is behaving when you called him. Yes. So next what happened? In the flash of lightning, I tried to find my pet, and in the flash of lightning, suddenly that thunder flash was there, and in that lightning, this author, he was trying to search he was just finding his pet. And what happened? I stumbled over mother's favorite vase, and I stumbled means what? Just hit, okay, by mistakenly he hit to the something. Hit to the something means what? He hit to the mother's favorite vase. Vase means see here, flower pot you can say. So I will write here stumble. Stumbled means hit your foot to something. So something was hit to his legs, his foot, and that was my mother's favorite vase. Mother's favorite vase. And my brother's guitar in the darkness. Even brother's guitar also. Yes, he stumbled with it also and with guitar also in the darkness. Finally, after knocking over a few more books, I found a candle, and now I needed matchsticks to light the candle. And finally, when he was knocking means just he was just searching, and he was just knocking over the few books, just moving his hand, okay, near the some books, and suddenly he found candle. Now he was, what he want? Yes, matchsticks. So he was just trying to find the matchsticks to light the candle. Second para, see, I will read first. I made my way to the kitchen in darkness. I kept calling out to Pluto. I wondered where the dog had gone. Suddenly there was thunder and a flash of lightning, and with a loud crash the trees outside my home toppled and fell on the main road, blocking the route. By now I was very scared. I was unable to contact my parents or my brother. I did not know when they would be home. The silence of my usually playful dog worried me. I lit the candle and decided to look for Pluto. I kept calling out to my dog, but in vain. I checked all the rooms, but the dog was nowhere to be found. I decided to check in the bathroom. Next, what happened? See, actually, this author, he was a child and he was alone in home. He was with his dog only, and his parents were not there. So he was worrying about it. See, next para. I made my way to the kitchen in darkness, and he for finding the matchsticks, he went into the kitchen, and I kept calling out Pluto, and again he just continuously calling to the Pluto, his dog. I wondered where my dog or where the dog had gone, and he was just wonder means he was surprised. Suddenly this dog, where he went or where he went. Suddenly there was thunder and a flash of lightning, and suddenly what happened? There was thunder and even flash of lightning, and the loud sound was there, and crashes of trees. Even outside of the house, what happened? It was toppled. Toppled means see here, fall down, toppled. So trees, because of this thunder, yes, toppled, fall down. So because of the thunder, these trees just see here, crashed and just fall down, and it blocked the main road. By now I was very scared, and from that time he was again very scared. I was unable to contact my parents or my brother, and he was unable to contact his parents and even his brother. I did not know when they would be home, and he didn't know when my parents or when his parents will come to home. So he was very scared, he was afraid. The silence of my usually playful dog worried me. And even the silence of his dog. He was very playful dog, and what happened that day? He was not giving any sound. He was not coming to near him. So he was just worrying about him. I lit the candle and decided to look for Pluto. So here lit. So light, the past of the light is lit. Past. Okay? Past of the light is lit. So he just lit the candle, and again he decided to look for the Pluto. So he decided to find the Pluto where he is. So he just kept again calling to him, but dog in vain. Vain means useless. It was useless because when he was calling to dog was not ready to come there. Here write down. When means useless. So it was useless. That dog was not ready to come. I checked all the rooms, but the dog was nowhere to be found. And he checked that boy. He checked everywhere, but dog was not there. So finally, he decided to check into the bathroom. As I stepped inside, the lights came on. I saw my dog sleeping in one corner of the bathroom without any care for the word. I called out to him. He opened his eyes and looked at me, irritated that I woke him up from the peaceful slumber and fell asleep once more. See, and when I stepped inside, the lights came on. See, when that boy kept in, or he just went inside, he took his first step inside the bathroom, and what he have seen? Suddenly light came, and he have seen that dog was sleeping in the bathroom, or in one corner of the bathroom, and he was just without caring of the word. He just slept very dark. So without caring of the word, he slept like that. And that boy called him out. Then what happened? The dog opened his eyes and looked at me, and like a irritated way. Irritated means just angry way. Okay, irritating, like why you woke up me from the good sleep or dark sleep. So he just watching him by irritating, and he was thinking, that dog was thinking why he woke up from the peaceful slumber. Peaceful slumber means to be deeply asleep. Slumber. To be deeply asleep. So the dog, he was just watching him. Yes, watching that boy as irritating way. Why he just woke up me from the peaceful sleep. And again, once more, what he did, he just have seen that boy. Again, he went into the dark sleep. So this is all about on a dark night what happened. So here we completed our enrichment activity first. So let's discuss the question answers. Choose the right options to complete the sentences. So first tell me, I will read here. The narrator fumbled about in the darkness looking for what he was looking there. Yes, here I will write options. Yes, there are 4 options. So what is the first answer? Yes, her dog or candle and matchsticks and food. Yes, answer is option B. Candle and matchsticks. He was just fumbled to it. Next. The narrator's dog was called, what was his name? Yes, very good, Pluto. So answer is option B, Pluto. The narrator knocked over her. What? Where he knocked? Yes. Brother's guitar and father's book. Yes, what is the answer? Mother's favorite was and brother's guitar. Where he just knocked? Find out here, see. Finally, after knocking over the few more books, so he knocked out over her books. So here answer is option C. brother's guitar and father's book. He knocked. Outside, a dash toppled and fell on the main road. What? Tree. So answer is B, tree. And here, last one, Pluto was in corner of the bathroom. What he was doing there? Fast asleep. So answer is C, fast asleep. So these are the answers. What you have to do? After watching this video, you have to solve this exercise. Okay? Thank you.